The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on Starboard's zoom feature. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing the zoom feature in Starboard's area. The zoom feature allows you to magnify or reduce the view of objects in the Starboard screen. Let's take a look at how we can use the zoom feature in different ways. We start off with zooming in. To zoom in on an object, go to the View, Zoom menu and select Zoom In. This will magnify the view of the objects. You can also increase the amount of zoom by selecting Zoom In again. Moving on to zooming out. To zoom out of an object, go to the View, Zoom menu and select Zoom Out. This will reduce the view of the objects. You can decrease the amount of zoom by selecting Zoom Out again. Next, we present Zoom In Rectangle. If you wish to magnify the view of the objects within a selected rectangle, go to the View, Zoom menu and select Zoom In Rectangle. This will allow you to draw a rubber band box around the area you wish to magnify. Lastly, resetting the zoom. To reset the zoom, go to the View, Zoom menu and select Reset. This will reset the view of the objects to 100%. The view will be returned to the normal level of zoom. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.